Converting a fraction to a decimal, you can do it two ways. You can do it or the hard way. And today I'm going to show you both ways. Let's start with the hard way first. So let's take the fraction 1/2. Okay, and we all know that the fraction a half can be written as 0.5. Alright, but the way to actually get that answer, you simply do 1 divided by 2. Alright, because a fraction is really just a division problem. Alright, so if we do 1 and we divide that by 2, if we do it like a division like this, 2 cannot go into 1, so we pop in a 0, and this is where our decimal point comes in. Okay, so we can just extend this a little bit, and 2 goes into 1 0 times with 1 left over. Okay, so in that next column you put it down as 0, but that 1 left over, I just put it right in here. You guys might do it a different way, which is absolutely fine as long as you get the right answer. Okay, but I'm just going to show you my way. Alright, so it now becomes, how many times can 2 go into 10? The answer? 5. So the answer is 0.5. And that's how we go from fractions to decimals. So now let's take our fraction 3/4. So we can start by writing our division problem, and that becomes 3 divided by 4. We've got that problem again where 4 is too big, so 4 goes into 3 0 times, and this is where our decimal point comes in. Now remember, our decimal point always goes directly above or directly below where it should be. Okay, so in our next column we do the 0. 3 divided by 4 goes 0 times with 3 left over. Okay, so it's now 30 divided by 4, which I know is 7 with 2 left over. So now it's 20 divided by 4, which is 5. So the answer, 0.75. And that's how you go from fractions to decimals. Looking at a more tricky one, for example, you could have 1/3. Okay, so then we'll start with our division, and we're doing 1 divided by 3. Okay, so again we've got that problem where 3 is too big, so we're going to pop in our decimal point. So 3 cannot go into 1. Pop down our 0, carry the 1 over. 3 can only go into 10 3 times with 1 left over. Let's extend it. Pop down our 0, 1 remainder. 3 goes into 10 3 times, and this, I can see there's a pattern, and to be honest, sometimes you just get patterns like that, and sometimes when fractions are converted into decimals, they can just look like this and they can keep on going and going and going. Okay, so the answer, so 1/3 converted to a decimal is 0.333, and then you could put REC, which means recurring. Okay, which means it keeps on going on and on and on and on and on. Alright, but that's just the way it is, and we'll move on now to looking at converting from fractions to decimals in an easier way.